Yeah, we're playing Lightning Link. We got Sahara Gold right next to us. That's the machine that we actually saw someone hit. Full screen of balls. They got the grand for $10,000 on a $1 bet. So we're not gonna play the same game because we figured that it already did its magic on that machine. So we're gonna play Lightning Link. Let's go to races. Best bet, Jack Rich action. All right, here we go. Nickel City. All right, so 6 trophies. Horses are wild. Yay! That's the nay shot. Jack Rich.
Is that what we have to get? No.
I don't think so. I think it's just a nice symbol.
Must be that.
Yeah, it must be the golden horseshoes.
Yeah.
I like the sounds. And we're off to the races. We got the golden horseshoes. Oh, we need some trophies. Oh. That's nice. That'd be a good one. So we got Jack Rich, 4 out of 5. Jack's all the way across. Oh, wasted ponies. Dun, 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 dun. We got the... Oh, trophies! Trophies, no!
One more. Money back.
Well, money back's better than no money back. This game is 10 years old this year.
Wow.
I've been looking at dates of the slot machines lately. It's surprising. Some of them are, they're fan favorites. They stick around in the casino for years. Some games come and go. But these Lightning Link games are very popular. As you'll see why. Let's run through the 3 games feature.
Yeah. All right.
All right, good start.
Yeah. Nice. Oh, we're off to the races.
And we're off!
Go.
Jack Rich! Oh.
Jack Rich.
Oh no!
Come on. All right.
All right, well, from a fumbling start at the gate, we have a nice recovery. Making the turn, we got some free games to get to the finish line in a hurry. And we're off. See if we can improve on our situation here.
Come on. Oh.
So far, no good.
Come on.
Oh, there we go. All right.
Guess off to the races.
Oh, we're so close there. We almost got the hold and spin.
Yeah.
A very exciting bonus in a bonus.
Come on. Still have.
Jack Rich! Nope.
No, come on. Finish strong here.
All right, 3 games left. Big finish. It'll be a race to the end. It might be a photo finish. By a nose. No! Oh. Wow. We gotta put that horse down. He's about to be glue, isn't he?
Oh well.
That would have been a nice follow-up. I'm just saying.
Yeah, I know.
After a crappy bonus, would have been nice to get the hold and spin.
Yeah.
A lot of potential there.
We didn't get a lot, Jack Rich.
No. Three. girl. Alright, let's get those trophies going. Get it back in the gate. Get ready for race number 2.
Oh, big one.
Yeah. What's 1,200 nickels? It's like 80 bucks. Come on, you little pony. Belmont Stakes winner Jack Rich. If there's ever a horse in the show, it's a Jack Rich. We've got to bet on him.
Okay.
Maybe then one of the biggest high rollers can buy a horse and call him that. Got some binoculars. That is a plus win. Golden horseshoes. Bum 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 bum.
Come on. Let's do it.
Jack Rich, Jack Luck. 2 out of 3. Just missed it. You want to play Sierra Gold?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna drop over to Sierra Gold. Not Sierra Gold, that's a bar and grill. Sahara Gold. We're gonna play nickels again. Same game. Major is 688. The Grando. Woo, that's a lot of wilds. So. Oh. For a second there, I thought the pyramids were what activated the bonus.
No.
No.
Taj Mahal.
Taj Mahal. 6 balls or Taj Mahal. Kind of thought that the pyramids were it for a second. That would have been too easy. That's okay. It was so neat to see this guy actually win a 10 grand on $1.
I know.
I mean, it's very few and far between when that happens for 10 grand for $1. But you see pictures all the time, it happens. Every week the casinos post the winners. You see them up there. Okay, that's what you can say, show me your multipliers.
Yeah.
Scorpio. Those November babies.
Yeah.
Ooh, one Taj Mahal, 1 ball. That'd be a good one. No. No, it gets close. Still a nice window. And that's what you need, you know. Oh, where's the other balls? Just 2.
Come on.
1 ball. 1 out of 6.
Taj Mahal. Oh. I was thinking this was it.
I know. Every time I see that one, I think that's it. And then it's not. I'm like, fudge.
Come on.
Wow. Greedy. Here we go. Well, I said before, I don't like this narrative. You need to rewrite on this script.
Yeah.
We were watching that documentary on Sylvester Stallone, and every movie he did, he either wrote it or he was like rewriting the script for everybody as he went. That's what we need. We need to go to this machine and say, time to pay out more because it's time to go. Re-edit. We'll have a sit down. I sit down with the casino and say, hey, wait a minute. This isn't. This story's not interesting. Wow, that's why I'm talking about like that. Now, if you don't know what we're talking about, we played a Mardi Gras game before. And the bonus features, they had like 5 of them on the side, but then it can throw in wilds. And because it was Mardi Gras, the wild one that popped up, it would be like, the doors would open, it would say, show me your multipliers. And have like all these girls in the background. That's entertainment. Show me your multipliers.
Show me your balls.
Yeah, show me your balls. Boom, ba-dum, and oh, Scorpios. The delayed countdown. All right, so what do we got going on here? There's nothing. It's just this first two.
Yeah.
It would have been better if it had one more adjacent.
Bonus.
Yeah.
Bonuses. That's what boni.
Multiple bonus.
Yeah.
We want the boni. We want the combo bonus. The bonus, the ever elusive bonus and a bonus. That was pretty good. We got queens all the way across. We got pyramids all the way across. And we got tens up to here. That's a good win.
Yeah. Come on, give us something good.
I know.
You want, that was, I guess, good.
No, that was a very good line hit.
Yeah.
I mean, we just played nickels.
You want the bonices.
Yeah. Big ball, big ball, big ball, big ball. It seems like it's been a while since the balls have been appearing. It's nice to see you back. Welcome back to the party.
Come on, we got this.
Oh, those are good ones.
Each need one.
I know. Two.
Oh,
Ow, boo.
there's the third one.
Yeah, that's what we're looking for. Well, we'll take the major jackpot, 689.11. Even the minor is good. Better than telling pennies, that's for sure.
Oh,
It's $50 mini. $50 mini. It's nothing to scoff at. I mean, you take it. That other machine we've been stocking with the maxed out major of 1,000 on Lightning Link. We haven't been able to see it free yet. We're keeping an eye on it though, because when it comes free, we might jump over that one. The person's put in a few $1,000s chasing it. We'll get our turn. But first, the present, right? Sahara Gold.
Come on, Sarah.
The lack of balls and a lack of free games.
You haven't gotten any bugs from here, right?
No, not on this one.
We just
So
got
it's-
line hit.
It's coming up good
Yeah.
anytime now.
We just got line hit.
Oh, look at those. Oh,
dear.
oh whatever.
Sounded good.
It sounded terrific. It sounded like it wanted to pay. Oh man. The slot attendant came over and said, "Do we need to get paperwork?" I'm like, "Not yet, not yet. Take it easy." Oh. Even better because when we're here.
Yeah.
Well, we're gonna have to squeeze this one out of here and be like, "I'm ready for you." Taj Mahal. How much is dimes? $250?
Yeah.
Oh, oh, come on. Oh! Dang it. Dang it, dang it, dang it. Dang it, we got 4. Shoot. That would have been terrific.
That would have been really nice. Right off the bat.
I know. Big boomer. And it's not like the major jackpot ball comes up very often. Well, that'll pay. It was so close. What happened? Did someone just get it? Why did the lightning go off all of a sudden?
Lightning.
I know. There was like a sudden burst.
Yeah.
I could say, well, you've been playing this game for a while. Why do you continue to play it? Why don't you just play the next one? Because, like, we kind of know, like, you got to ride these out sometimes. If you start chasing from machine to machine, maybe you're going from a machine that's about to hit to a machine that just hit. And you missed out on everything. Kind of like the, you know, say we're going to put in a certain amount of money and we're going to get a bonus within that time. All right, well, we've seen some big balls. We've seen a $2,500 ball. We've seen the major ball. We have not seen the free games or 6 balls coming out together. I guess we can ask our girl Prosperity to throw some balls over here, but I doubt that she'll do that.
Yeah.
Oh. What was that movie, Wreck-It Ralph? Where they're
Yeah.
stuck inside the video games?
Oh, yeah.
They should have like the next version where they're stuck inside the casino games.
Look, we got one good.
Yeah.
Big one.
All right, well, let's see if that major jackpot will come back.
Yeah.
We saw it just a minute ago.
All right. Just give us something. Anything. All right. Keep it coming.
Smackdown.
Bring us your high-priced balls, friends. Come on.
All right, now I need a tiny ball.
Oh. Wow.
28.75 on a $1.25 bet. See if we can back into a free games bonus. Oh, wow. I mean, that's why you do it, right? Don't stop now.
Yeah. Come on,
All right.
250. Bring your friends.
Let's do it. So the last one was $28.75.
Yeah.
A $1.25 bet. See if we can outdo that.
Come on. Give us some high numbers.
There you go.
There we go.
We'll be there now.
Yeah. There we go. Good job.
Good
Come on,
job. Nice big balls.
Come on, 250. Bring your friends. Oh, that's all right.
All right. Well,
Anybody's good. We don't discriminate.
keep them going. Keep them going. There you go. There you go. All right, we're at,
3 balls.
oh,
3
2
places.
away.
Oh,
3 balls, 2 spaces.
come on.
There's life. There's life.
Life in it.
There's life. There's life. Let life find a way. Life finds a way. Let life find a way. Oh. That's okay.
The last one.
It was better than the last one. $43.75 or a $1.25 bet. Now we did get the balls, the hold and spin twice. We haven't gotten the free games. I don't know if we're going to pursue the free games. We'll do a little bit.
Oh, no. Sorry. Sorry.
My partner is causing trouble in the casino, sitting at the machine next to me and pushing the service button. Get the mechanic coming over and
Help me.
saying,
This sucks.
"Go!"
One late. Oh, that's the big one.
It's okay, one. Yeah, fourth row. Fourth one. Oh boy.
Oh.
No! Free games! Well, last spin, then we're going to move on down the road.
Yeah.
Yep. All right. Well, that is Lightning Link Sahara Edition and Best Bet. We did a live transition. We were quick and easy that way. All right. Well, we'll try it again.